my dear students, welcome to EVS class. In our previous video, we had discussed about organs. Well, how many types of organs do we have? Yes, we have two types of organs. Can you name them? Very good. They are external organs and internal organs. We have discussed about external organs and their functions in our previous video. In today's video, let us discuss about internal organs. So, what do you mean by internal organs? The organs which are inside our body and cannot be seen are called internal organs. Inside our body, there are many organs which we cannot see. Those organs are called internal organs. So, can you name some of the internal organs? Very good. We have brain, heart, stomach and lungs. These are some of the internal organs that we find inside our body. You can observe the picture here. There are different internal organs. Let us learn about them one by one. So let us consider the first internal organ. This is our brain. Where do we find brain? Brain is inside our head. You know that this is our head. Inside the head we find brain. That means brain is protected by our head. So what is the function of brain? Now you are thinking, right? That means brain helps for thinking, remembering things, solving problems, making decisions, sharing our feelings and thoughts with others, and it also helps in body movements like running, jumping, coughing, sneezing. All these actions are controlled by our brain. So, we can say that brain is one of the most important organs and which controls most of our activities. Let us move to one more organ, that is our heart. So this is the picture of heart. So where is the heart located? Heart is located inside the chest. So this is our chest. The front part of our body is called chest, and we find heart inside the chest, which is slightly towards left side. Our heart is inside the chest and which is slightly towards the left side. So what is the function of heart? Why do we need heart? Heart pumps the blood to other parts of the body. You know that our body has blood and heart pumps the blood to other parts of the body. So, do you know how big your heart is? It is the size of one's fist. Now, you can see that this is my fist. My heart is of the same size and your heart is of the size of your fist. So, heart is the size of one's fist. So, when heart pumps the blood, it makes sound. That is called lub-dub sound. The lub-dub sound of heart is called heartbeat. So, what do you mean by heartbeat? The sound produced by the heart when pumping the blood is called heartbeat. So, here is an activity for you. After this video, place your hand on your chest and feel the heartbeat. After that, run at your home. Once you are tired, stop running and again feel your heartbeat and find the difference. So this is the activity for you to do. Let's move to the next internal organ, that is our stomach. So this is the picture of stomach. What is the use of stomach? When we eat food, it enters into the stomach through the food pipe. Here you can see, this is the food pipe, and whatever we eat, that enters into our stomach through this food pipe. Then what does the stomach do? Stomach breaks that food into tiny particles. Stomach breaks that food into tiny particles. That means stomach helps in digestion of food. What is the function of stomach? Stomach helps in digestion of food. Let's move to the one more internal organ. Can you name this internal organ? Very good. It's our lungs. Lungs are the sacs that we find inside our chest. So, you can say that both heart and lungs we find inside our chest, and both the organs are protected by chest. Now tell me, what is the function of lungs? Why do we need lungs? Lungs help in breathing. We breathe air through our nose and it enters into our lungs. And air consists of different gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. But our body needs only oxygen. So, lungs filter the oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So, what does the lung do? Lungs filter the oxygen and breathe out the carbon dioxide. So, tell me, how many lungs do we have? Very good. We have two lungs. One is at the right side, another one is at the left side. If you observe this, you can find that the left side lung is slightly smaller than the right one. The left side lung is slightly smaller than the right one. So these are some of the internal organs that we find inside our body. You know that both external organs and internal organs are very important as they have their own role to play. So we must take care of those organs. Now let us discuss about care of body parts. As these body parts are very important, we have to keep them clean and healthy. For that, we must take bath every day. You know that there are many dirt particles on our body. So, to remove that dirt particles, we must take bath every day. And the second one is we should eat homemade food. It's very important to eat healthy food to keep our body healthy. I know that some of you like junk foods like burger, pizza, Lays, all those things. When you eat these, you may feel it is very tasty, but it is not good for our health. So, avoid eating junk food. You must always have homemade food. Let's move to the next one. That is, we should brush our teeth daily. You know the importance of brushing your teeth, right? Because we have studied in our previous lesson. So tell me, how many times we should brush in a day? Very good. We must brush twice a day. Once in the morning and another one is at night. Next one is we should not play with sharp objects. So it's very dangerous to play with sharp objects like scissors, blade, pencils. It may hurt us. So we should not play with these objects. The next one is we should take care of our eyes and should not watch too much of television. You know that eyes are very important. We can see this colorful world through our eyes. So it's very important to take care of our eyes. If you watch too much of television, we may lose our eyesight. So we should not watch too much of television. So here is the exercise for you. The first one is fill in the blanks. You have to tell the answer for these fill in the blanks. First one, we have dash lungs. So how many lungs do we have? Good. We have 2 lungs. Inside the head lies the dash. What is there inside the head? Very good. Inside the head lies the brain. Third one is the chest protects the lungs and dash of our body. So what is the answer? Exactly. The chest protects the lungs and heart of our body. Fourth one is the whole body is covered with dash. Good. The whole body is covered with skin. Fifth one is our back has dash. Very good. Our back has backbone. Let's move to the next exercise. Write T for true and F for false. So these are the statements you have to tell whether it is true or false. So the first one is lung pumps the blood. Is it true or false? Very good. It is false. So which organ pumps the blood? Correct. Our heart pumps the blood. Second one is the chest digests the food. Is it true or false? Good. It is false. So which organ digests the food? Correct. Our stomach digests the food. Third one, our heart is present inside the head. It is false. So which organ is inside the head? Very good. Our brain is inside the head. And the last one is brain helps us to think, learn and remember. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Let's move to the one more exercise. You have to write the names of body parts which rhyme with these words. So the first one is land. Which body part rhyme with land? Good. It is hand. Let's move to the second one. The word is best. So what is the answer? Correct. It is chest. And the third one is race. Which body part rhymes with race? Very good. The answer is face. And the last one is bike. So what is the answer? Correct. The answer is leg. Very good. Let's clap for everyone. Now, here is the note for you. Kindly do the exercise in your textbook, page number 7 and 8. At the end of this lesson, you find exercise. You have to solve those exercises in your textbook itself. So, you have to solve A, B, D and E. That's all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.